Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again today. Got another unboxing for you here. I know this is going to be my third one in a row, but that's because I intended for that headphone there to be part of a, come on, I hate these little bitty things you gotta get your blade into. The previous unboxing that you saw, but it didn't arrive in time. And so now I'm doing it for you here. But first we have this, what do we want to call it? This is a tracking force scale. As you know, I've been getting into vinyl, and I have a Fluence RT81 turntable, and I first of all want to check that the there it is for that the tracking force is correct, but also I may want to switch the cartridge, and that involves a different tracking force. So got a little bitty battery pack there. I hope there's a battery included in here. I'm not a fan of non-standard batteries, but it is what it is. This is the case. It's a nice synthetic leather case. This looks like some accessories, probably some different adapters and things. Maybe the battery is in here. I hope this came with the battery. Oh yes, here's your little C-cell battery, which can be so easy to lose, and this has 3 of them, so that looks like that's it, except for some instructions. All right, so that's cool, but this is probably what you're all here for, and this is the new Koss KPH 40, and that's it. There's no I or anything on it, which is kind of confusing, but it is what it is. And so I have the 30i, and I love them. I think they are one of my favorite headphones of all time. They're not like the epitome of sound quality, but they're so comfortable, and they are just decent sound quality. They're compact, and I'm struggling with this, but it's giving me time to talk to you. And they are probably one headphone that I use more than any other. What is going on here? I hate these tape things. They're not BFF. That's blind folk friendly, by the way, if you didn't know. If you didn't know, forget it. Good grief. And so I love those headphones. Now I have some over-the-ear headphones, and I just, good grief. I'm tearing up this box. Probably a simpler way to do this, and a better way, but it is what it is. Koss should make their packaging more intelligent. So I have like the Philips SHP 9500. I have a pair of Monoplice Retros. I have a couple others, the Sivga 006s, and you know, after 5 minutes of use, my ears get hot and uncomfortable on almost any over-the-ear headphone, and I don't care if you're talking the open back or closed, semi whatever, all of them. Here's the detachable cable. We saw that with the KEB IEMs. So here's the headphone. Here's the plug. It's very light. Doesn't feel like the sturdiest, but like this headband here feels like it could stand somewhere. This really reminds me of headphones that used to come with Discman back in the day. I don't remember if you ever had any of those or saw those, but that's really what these remind me of. I think I actually had a pair of Koss headphones similar, but some nice articulation there. We will see if these sound as good as the KPH 30i's. These pads are fairly soft. They're not like the most soft I've ever felt in my hand, but they're decent. They do shake a little bit. This band is pretty thin. Yeah, there's not much delineation there. It just kind of is all or nothing. It works. I don't know. Probably get more into this in the review, but there they are. I am curious to try these out, see if they are more or less comfortable than the KPH 30Is, how they sound, what I think of them as far as how I use them. I will definitely be doing a review of these. I don't know if I will do a review of the IEMs or the Quarks that I opened last time, but I definitely want to do a review of these since I love the KPH 30Is so much. I want to see how their predecessor works. So thank you so much for watching this video. I promise I will have a review coming up next week. I'm going to try to get one done before Thanksgiving, and then I'll be on break for Thanksgiving, but I want to get that one more review in for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this video and sticking with me during this week when we're just doing some unboxings, nothing too exciting. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. If you did, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Check out my Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.